So we completed the mission. We managed to acquire 2 cakes. They're small cakes. They're not crazy, but two cakes. And I'm just gonna give bro the pick. Like, you want this strawberry cake or that strawberry cake? I love strawberry shortcake. Hopefully he was eating strawberries earlier today, so he's gonna love this strawberry shortcake. But just something slight for, you know, for your birthday. You don't turn 29 all the time, so I know he'll enjoy it. If you can't spend under $25 to make somebody's day, then what are we doing for real? But hey. Ooh, wait, are we going to take a break? Because I definitely want to go upstairs.
Yo, ops trying to fuck up this piece of my mind. I don't know why they trying to live rent free in my mind. I've been on the grind, bump Jay back when he was signed. When I give them game, tell the truth, they think he is lying. So I move around, shit blows, they make mistakes. Sorry, I can't relate, y'all chose that fucking fate. Gotta quit this job, I can tell it's just not for me. Got my degree, so I'm asking for extra cheese. Boss lady seen my request, almost passed out. Said I'm kinda cool, but that money just bad now. 2020 really fucking showed the board. Jobs don't care about your dreams, they overwork the board. So I'm going on every trip, taking every dime I could flip. In my mind, fuck them, I really just can't trust them. 360 deals, guess niggas just trying to cuff them. Whole time bluffing, I don't know what niggas thinking. I don't know what niggas on. Guess they done see me as a pawn. They done got me wrong, I'm the dawn in this picture. I done gave bottles after bottles of the liquor. Been a big tipper, been a macho man like Savage. Guess they done see me like I'm average, but I've been known to be the maverick. Escobar, Escatees, Mr. Fantastic. Sometimes a peace of mind can be so hard for you to find.
Stuck in my mind, up in my mind. I'm just trying to stay on my grind.
Sometimes a peace of mind can be so hard for you to find.
Stuck in my mind, up in my mind. I'm just trying to stay on my grind.
Alright, it's packed again. Here we go.
1番線の電車は中目黒行きです。ドアが閉まります。手荷物をお引きください。無理なご乗車はおやめください。
What's good, fam? I finally did put the up at the car at the stoplight so it won't run me over. Bro did it back. Yeah! Any other time you put the up, they won't even give me the nod or nothing. Like this. Yeah! Bang! You look good. You look good, fam. Chef. Thank you, Chef. Two strawberry with whipped cream. Thank you. Cheers.
All right, cheers. How is it? It's good.
So we are on a mission. The mission is to wash clothes.
or at least get our clothes dry. The wash machine this morning did not completely dry my clothes like I would have liked it to. So since it didn't do that, we have to make our way to a laundromat in the area to dry them. Once they dry, I can fold them up, pack them all up, and put them back in my suitcase. So really good thing. One is right around the corner from the hotel. It's good. It's good to have gone through this experience, so I could tell people in the future, like, yeah, if you are going in your hotel, do offer it. You may need to go to a laundromat in your area. So that's the plus. It's right here. We finally made it. They have a very interesting challenge that we're doing. Had to dry my clothes in the midst of drying my clothes. The tour director left without me, so we got to book it to Shimokitazawa, I think, just like west of Shinjuku, Dolo, and I got to meet the group by 1:50. So we're hustling. Almost forgot my Metro card, but we should be good. Just gotta lock in. That's all.
Don't let them ride your wave. 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 There's a lot of shit that I can say. I'm getting better, be stacking my cheddar cheese. No one that hit me, not in my pedigree, but in my legacy. Can I please? Don't let them ride your wave. 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 There's a lot of shit that I can say. I'm getting better, be stacking my cheddar cheese. No one ahead of me, not in my pedigree, but in my legacy. Can I please? Can I be honest? Don't let them ride the wave.
They take me directly here. Line like cut off. Like the moment I got to the end of the stop. So that shit was ass. But guess who made it? I made it. Yeah.
Trying to take me to a higher place. Sky rise, no fire escapes. Line cooks need a higher pay. Looking for a common place.
We're heading to a restaurant that's a few blocks.
Sure they're gonna pay
I don't even know the South.
Paper
Down
shit
here
that I
somewhere.
rave about. Wonder why a nigga say now, cause a nigga need another way out.
This trip definitely was a
Double
W.
in the double trouble, cause the boss lady hit the pay out. Wanna make a nigga lay down, but a nigga won't stay down. I gotta go out and get it. 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 Yo, where do the time go? Where do the time go? Where do it go? Where do the time go? I'm getting mine. Don't let them ride your way. 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 There's a lot of shit that I can say. I'm getting better, be stacking my cheddar cheese. No one ahead of me, not
I'm still tripping at the fact that he's saying, yo, you know this trip is a
Don't let
flex.
them ride your way.
Shit,
Don't let
bruh.
them ride your
Not
way.
gonna be like that.
Don't let them ride your way. Don't let them
So we're still out here cooking for real. Apparently. Having a little farewell drink at the bar. Shout out to Review. For allowing me to stamp his name on that joint. That's the one thing I like about me sometimes. Sometimes I be like, I doctor up the formula. Like, say these words word for word.
Yo, not a muse, yo, I'm not a fool. This a new director, got a lot to prove.
I be
Got a
cooking
new
in
objective,
every
that
bar.
dude impressive. 2020, that nigga probably never stopping. Running solo like I'm running the options. Roll food, got the whole world stopping. While I'm home watching, I'm dreaming about fortune and profit. Remember, I was never you.
One of
and
the
you was
things
never
I've
me.
been
I try to
finding
better me. You try to
myself
ride on the way we can
enjoying
never
the
see.
most
I've been
about
the places you'll
Tokyo
never be.
has
Second
definitely
cheddar
been
you'll never see.
the
Living
fact that, like,
heavenly.
it's
Yo,
10
in
o'clock
any
at night.
pedigree. Y'all never
These
matching my
places are
pedigree.
still
Even my
drinking.
brother
You
in
feel me?
pedigree.
Like,
Don't
restaurants
let them ride your way. Don't let them
These
ride your
people
way.
still
Don't let
drinking,
them
still
ride your
chilling,
way. There's a
kicking
lot of
with
shit
their
that I can
coworkers and their
say.
friends.
Say.
They haven't yet
Say.
tapped out yet. You feel me?
Say.
And it's cool. It's just sitting around eating food and having a few drinks and conversation.